KipwareM has long been recognized in the CNC community as the gold standard in PC-based conversational CAM. Easy to use and powerful, Kipware Conversational Advanced CAM has helped thousands of shops around the world stop CAD/CAM overkill and reach new heights in shop floor productivity. And now, KipwareM has gotten even better. Let's dive in and explore our latest feature, auto chamfering. We're going to use the example of round pocketing. We'll first create the cycle that will pocket 8 holes on a 10-inch bolt circle using the all fill in the blank conversational menu. We'll first describe the pocket parameters like Z-plane coordinates, total depth, depth of cut, cutter size, and specifics. We'll set the cutting to clockwise roughing, counterclockwise finishing with finishing of the bottom surface included. And auto-calculate some feeds and speeds using the Kipware CSF Speed and Feed Wizard. We'll use the bolt circle calculator to get some locations for the 8 holes on a 10-inch bolt circle. With just a few inputs, Kipware will auto-calculate the locations, load them for us, and away we go. Pressing the Create Program button will cause KipwareM to do all the G-code creation and place our new cycle into the tree. The machining of the pockets is all complete. We can take a quick look at the plot to confirm. All looks good and we're ready for the new magic. We now want to create a chamfering cycle, so we'll load the original pocket cycle back into the conversational menu, one of the powerful features of Kipware, because you never have to see the G code if you don't want to. On every menu, we can pull up our chamfering tool and cutting specifics and make any changes on the fly. If you have a favorite chamfer tool you use all the time, this info is saved and always available, so you don't even need to see this. We have tons of real-world settings like climb or conventional milling and the ability to turn on cutter comp. For an operation like this round pocket, Kipware will look at the OD of the tool and auto-determine if it can plunge the tool to create the chamfer or if circle milling is required. If milling is required, it will create the G-code all automatically, including all cutter comp startup and cancel moves as well. All we have to do is press the Create Chamfer button. All 8 holes done. Just like that. Let's take a quick look at the plot. Taking a deeper look at the toolpath, we can see that all cutter comp startup moves are included, and a nice smooth toolpath with ramping in and out was created, all effortlessly and automatically. This new auto chamfering feature is now available in all menus in KipwareM. That means after facing round pocket or boss machining, square rectangular pocket or boss machining, slotting, and more, creating chamfers is as easy as a single button push, all with the powerful ability to quickly and easily adjust size, depth, and machining strategy on the fly. With constant innovation based on our real-world manufacturing experiences, Kipware Conversational Advanced CAM continues to be the gold standard in PC-based conversational CAM. Explore more at our website, www.kipware.com, or visit our YouTube channel at KT Software, more Kipware videos.